Technology is evolving faster than ever before. It's incredible. We are on the cusp of a new era, an era of extraordinary technological advancements. These advancements promise to reshape our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. Artificial intelligence, robotics, and space travel are no longer futuristic fantasies. They are rapidly becoming our reality. These emerging technologies are poised to revolutionize our lives, our work, and our understanding of our place in the cosmos. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, the future holds incredible possibilities. It's a time of great change and even greater opportunity. This is not science fiction. This is the future knocking at our door. And it's up to us to embrace it, to shape it, and to ensure that it benefits all of humanity. Join me as we explore the fascinating world of future technology and discover how it will change our lives forever. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a figment of science fiction. It's here, and it's evolving at an astonishing pace. AI refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. Imagine a world where machines can understand and respond to our needs, where complex problems are solved with lightning-fast speed and accuracy. This is the promise of AI. From self-driving cars that navigate our roads to virtual assistants that manage our schedules, AI is already beginning to transform our lives. But this is just the beginning. As AI continues to advance, it will revolutionize industries like healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. It will help us make better decisions, optimize processes, and unlock new frontiers of knowledge and innovation. AI is not just a futuristic concept. It's already seeping into our daily routines, making our lives easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Imagine waking up to a personalized news feed curated just for you by your AI assistant. This assistant knows your preferences and can filter through the vast amount of information available, ensuring you start your day with the most relevant news. As you commute to work, your self-driving car navigates traffic seamlessly, allowing you to relax, catch up on emails, or simply enjoy the ride. At work, AI-powered tools help you automate repetitive tasks, analyze data, and make better decisions. In healthcare, AI is being used to diagnose diseases with greater accuracy, develop personalized treatment plans, and even assist in surgeries. From the mundane to the life-changing, AI is poised to revolutionize every aspect of our daily lives. The impact of AI extends far beyond our daily routines. It's poised to revolutionize entire industries, transforming the way we work, live, and interact with the world around us. In healthcare, AI is being used to develop new drugs and therapies, diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately, and personalize treatment plans based on individual patient data. In finance, AI-powered algorithms are being used to detect fraud, manage risk, and provide personalized financial advice. Manufacturing is another industry being transformed by AI, with robots and smart factories increasing efficiency, reducing waste, and enabling the creation of entirely new products. The transportation industry is on the cusp of a major revolution, with the advent of self-driving cars, trucks, and even planes. These AI-powered vehicles promise to make our roads safer, reduce traffic congestion, and transform the way we think about transportation. Robotics, not just science fiction anymore. Remember the robots of science fiction, those metallic beings capable of performing amazing feats? We're not quite there yet, but robotics is rapidly advancing, blurring the line between fiction and reality. Today, robots are no longer confined to factories and research labs. They're entering our homes, workplaces, and even our operating rooms. Imagine a robot that can assist with household chores, a companion for the elderly, or a surgical assistant capable of performing delicate procedures with incredible precision. These are just a few examples of how robotics is changing our world. As robots become more sophisticated and intelligent, they will play an increasingly important role in our lives. They will take on dangerous or repetitive tasks, freeing up humans to focus on more creative and fulfilling endeavors. Robots in the workplace, collaborating for efficiency. The integration of robots into the workplace is not about replacing human workers, but about creating a more efficient and productive environment where humans and machines can collaborate effectively. Robots excel at performing repetitive, physically demanding, or dangerous tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on tasks that require creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. Imagine a team of human and robot workers in a manufacturing plant. The robots handle the heavy lifting and repetitive assembly tasks, while the humans oversee the process, ensuring quality control and troubleshooting any issues that arise. This collaboration between humans and robots is not limited to manufacturing. It has the potential to transform industries like healthcare, construction, and even customer service. By embracing the unique capabilities of both humans and robots, we can create a more productive and fulfilling future of work. Venturing into the cosmos, space travel's next chapter. Space, the final frontier, has always captivated the human imagination. And now, thanks to rapid advancements in technology, we are on the cusp of a new era of space exploration. Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are developing reusable rockets, making space travel more affordable and accessible than ever before. Imagine a future where space tourism is commonplace, where people from all walks of life have the opportunity to experience the awe and wonder of space travel firsthand. But it's not just about tourism. Space exploration is crucial for advancing our understanding of the universe, searching for life beyond Earth, and potentially even finding new homes for humanity as our own planet faces increasing pressure from climate change and resource depletion. Finding new homes, the quest for habitable planets. As we venture further into the cosmos, the search for life beyond Earth and the possibility of finding new homes among the stars become increasingly tantalizing. Scientists are discovering new exoplanets, planets orbiting other stars, at an astonishing rate. Some of these exoplanets lie within the habitable zone of their stars, where conditions might be just right for liquid water and perhaps even life to exist. Imagine the thrill of discovering evidence of life on another planet, a discovery that would fundamentally change our understanding of our place in the universe. While the challenges of interstellar travel are immense, the possibility of one day establishing a human presence on another planet is a testament to the boundless potential of human ingenuity and our unquenchable thirst for exploration. The impact of future tech on jobs and society. The rapid advancement of technology, while incredibly exciting, also raises important questions about its impact on jobs and society as a whole. Some worry that automation and AI will lead to widespread job displacement, leaving many people unemployed. While it's true that some jobs will inevitably be automated, history has shown that technological advancements also create new jobs, often in fields that didn't even exist before. The key is to adapt to these changes, to embrace lifelong learning, and to equip ourselves with the skills needed to thrive in this rapidly evolving job market. It's also crucial that we address the potential societal impacts of these technologies, ensuring that they are developed and deployed in a responsible and ethical manner that benefits all of humanity, not just a select few. Embracing the future, a call for optimism. The future of technology is brimming with both incredible promise and potential challenges. It's easy to get caught up in the fear of the unknown, to worry about the potential negative consequences of these powerful technologies. But I believe we should approach the future with a sense of optimism and excitement. Throughout history, human ingenuity has always found ways to overcome challenges and harness the power of new technologies for the betterment of humanity. The key is to approach these advancements with a spirit of collaboration, responsibility, and a commitment to ensuring that the benefits of technology are shared by all. Let us embrace the future with open arms, working together to shape a world where technology empowers us, connects us, and helps us create a brighter future for generations to come. Conclusion: a brighter future awaits. We stand at the threshold of a new era, an era defined by unprecedented technological advancements that have the potential to reshape our world in profound ways. Artificial intelligence, robotics, and space travel, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, are rapidly becoming our reality. These technologies offer incredible promise for solving some of the world's most pressing challenges, improving our quality of life, and expanding our understanding of our place in the cosmos. But they also present us with important ethical and societal considerations that we must address proactively and thoughtfully. As we navigate this uncharted territory, let us do so with a spirit of curiosity, collaboration, and a commitment to harnessing the power of technology for the benefit of all humankind. The future is full of possibilities, and together, we can shape a brighter future for generations to come. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this video and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest releases. Please like and subscribe for more amazing content.